Cool. So I think you mentioned a lot about analytics in the product. Tell us the names of some of the tools that you are using, like for
Yes,
getting the instrumentation in your product.
correct, correct. So, hey, is there someone else?
No, I don't think so. So
Okay. So yeah, so on the tooling side, what we've done is we've made integration of tools with our product very simple. So
mhm.
we look at segment as being uh, like a middleware between our software and all the analytics tools.
Correct.
And segment in turn has a lot of integrations with other softwares.
Okay.
We use Amplitude for for our and retention analysis, for our W1 retention, for our time to value um matrix, and
Okay.
then the funnel in general, how people where people are dropping off, and so it's a very nice tool that gives you all these insights. If you're not using something like it, I would uh, like request you to kindly start capturing data. And Amplitude has a free version which has a lot of value.
Okay.
The day that they realize that they have a lot of value, they might even charge, and people might even pay for that, right?
Yeah.
Uh, then we don't do a lot of user testing, right?
Mhm.
We do some level of user testing, and that's a key benchmark for us. But a lot of user testing happens through a product called Full Story,
Yes.
where which provides us step by step video recordings of how the user is actually interacting with the product. And there have been aha moments for us to where we kind of realize, why is the user in this journey? He was supposed to do this, but now he's doing this. How did he even get there, right? So we spend a lot of time after a feature has matured. We spend a lot of time in realizing how the people, and we are also very focused on the first interactions that the customer has. So that is something that Anish and my team actually goes and looks at, that particular piece, right? So then we have tools which help us in onboarding customers.
Yeah.
So we use various tools to the important thing here is to note is that you have to show the user, the right user, the right message at the right time, right? If you get that wrong, it becomes irritating, right?
Mhm.
So for us, what we've done is we've divided our users into three buckets based on the journey that they are in inside the product, right? So when you start your journey, so this is a term that I coined. So you have a walker, you have a jogger, and then you have a runner, right?
Okay.
So walker is still, he's just exploring the value of the product, whether this product is going to meet his immediate need or not.
Correct.
So for that, it's very important that you show him just that aspect of the product, just make him go through that journey, and not show a lot of products. We as product managers are very very proud of what we've built, and sometimes we say that this is a cool feature that we've built, and this is what the customer should
Would
really be
love to do.
doing,
Yeah. Yeah.
would love to do, and this is going to blow their minds, right? This is the feeling that we get. But just stay away from that and focus on what the user has come here for. And then once he becomes once he gets comfortable within the product, then we have a jogger journey where we start giving them subtle hints. So from hand holding to giving him subtle hints to actually telling him that this is how they can get more value, because now you know products. So we've kind of created this entire journey of training customers about the different features and different value that they can get inside the product. And Chameleon is the tool that we use to give us that value. And there are tons of other tools, but primarily this. And then we ask for feedback. So Typeform integrated with Chameleon, integrated with a lot of other softwares is what we